Okay, question 4. And the other so Leetcode. First question, right? Question is given an array of integers and an integer target, return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the targets. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. So problem we are right? And you want to say ABI, I'm my example of input elements, say, right? Back here, 2, 7, 11, and 15, right? And I'm assign my targets equal to 9. See numbers me no bi wa say ya kaboma ebe my 9, right? Now it only it only occur once, appear just once, right? It's you two numbers no na you return. But one gas returning numbers na so see returning the index, right? The index of that number. And if you know anything about arrays no starting free 0, right? Indexes of arrays starting here 0, we have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. But we have 2 plus 7. We share easy. 2 plus 7 be my 9. We make it target no simple, right? And 2 plus 11, it will not give us that. 2 plus 15, it will not give us that. But when in program here, if you look at it, the first thing I've shown is obey a for loop, right? Or your first loop now, you do like a nested loop like this for I in array. Now I say here for j in array, right? Until for we are now they are family now, or for 7 is now they are family now. When you answer now, what stop it? But it will take a lot of time, right? Time complexity no be O of n squared, right? Because you will go through the worst case scenario, you go through all of it. Another approach you can do is say to store, like offer number we are no store in a key value pair. So you have a key and then you have a value, right? In this case, the key will be the number, and then the value will be the index. 2 is 0, right? 7 in the index number 1. 11 is in the index number 2, and so forth and so forth. It will far we not say what free 9 anymore, right? Over 9 minus 2, right? No, I check it. Key value pen is 5 over 5 anymore. No, HD, no, what so right? Until you find say 9 minus 2 and 5 in him. It's no HD. Now for 7 minus 9. So 5. You find say we have 5. And we have 7 minus 9 minus 7, no, about 2. But I should say the 2 account of that, right? It's index, no. 2 in the index, right? Anyway, it is 0, 1, right? 0, 1 way in your friend say the value, right? And the key things that you have to know is you have to know about dictionaries or key value pairs where you will store the values in there. And things we'll go through now. So well, when you value, I just store the value in the key. So now I'm checking out who a match then you stop it. Main things you need to know: a dictionary. That will give you, this approach will give you a much better solution. That will be like O of n, which is runtime, time complexity, right? So and I think space will also be O of n. Nti yɛnhwɛ na yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛtumi solve it. It's on Leetcode. Let's go to Leetcode. Nti like I said earlier, no, two sum array problem. First, we will create a dictionary. You better store indexes no. Until we find a dictionary index. A dictionary like this. And then we are going to loop through, right? In this case, we're going to use key value in enumerate. Nums, right? Into you order index. And fancy order index. Into target minus value, right? Into if order index in index then we are simply going to return results. No, almost returning, right? You're going to return key, in this case they are returning index of order index, right? Say anymore, say if we can't find it in the dictionary, we add the value now. This is how simple the solution is, right? Enumerate, look, we check a Python enumerate no, by list the key value no, by list the index no, and the value itself. Into no, and finally says we enumerate 2 by 0 and that value in anchor 2. That's what enumerate does. So let's see what this one does. I say mistake what I say because we are trying to find it here. So that was what was causing the problem. But we see you see that answer no aba pepepe. So this is how you solve it. The key things you have to know about this problem, no, and knowing a little bit about dictionary and key value pairs, and then this will give you an O of n solution. Thank you. Bye bye.